This code is a basic implementation of a keylogger in Python using the pynput library. A keylogger is a program or script that records the keystrokes made on a computer's keyboard without the user's knowledge or consent. It captures and logs the keys pressed, which can include text typed, passwords, and other sensitive information. Please note that using keyloggers without proper consent or for malicious purposes is illegal and unethical. Import the necessary modules from pynput.keyboard import key listener. This line imports the key class and the listener class from the pynput.keyboard module. These classes are used to handle keyboard input and set up a listener for keyboard events. Define the onPress function. This function is called every time a key is pressed. It attempts to open a file called keylog.txt in append mode, A. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. It checks the value of the key argument, which represents the key that was pressed. If the key is the spacebar, key.space, it writes a space character to the log file. If the key is the enter key, key.enter, it writes a new line character to the log file. For all other keys, it writes the key's representation, converted to a string, to the log file. Any exceptions that occur during this process are caught, and an error message is printed. Set up the keyboard listener. It creates a listener instance with the onPress function defined earlier as the callback function for handling key presses. It prints the message, keylogger is running, to let the user know that the keylogger is active. The listener.join line starts the keylogger, which continuously listens for key presses and calls the onPress function when a key is pressed. Now let's try how the program works. Now we have to open the keylog.ext file. As you can see, the program has logged every key pressed since its startup.